Hey friends, have you ever been reading a book and found a word you didn't know? Don't worry, I've got a secret tool to help you figure it out. Context clues. Context clues are words or phrases that give hints about what a tricky word means. Think of it like solving a puzzle. Let's try one together. What does the word colossal mean? Look at the sentence. The colossal elephant walked slowly through the jungle. Elephants are big, right? So, colossal must mean huge. There are 4 main types of context clues you can use. Number 1, definition. The sentence gives the meaning of the word right there. See, the sentence tells us a habitat is a place where animals live. Number 2, synonyms. Look for a word that means the same thing. Tiny and small mean the same thing. Number 3, antonyms. Look for a word that means the opposite. Cold is the opposite of hot. Number 4, examples. The sentence gives examples to explain the word. The examples help us understand the word bright. Now it's your turn. Let's practice using context clues to figure out some tricky words. What do you think famished means? The clue is after not eating all day. That's right. Famished means very hungry. Great job. Let's try another. What does vibrant mean? The clues are the colors. Pink, purple, yellow. That's right, it means bright and colorful. Awesome work, friends. You're now a context clues detective. Remember, when you find a tricky word, look at the words around it. They'll give you the clues you need to figure it out. Keep practicing and you'll be a reading superstar in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to Shon Stories for more fun lessons. And I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.